Okay, so good morning. So I promise you to create a video regarding on how to plot, but before that I would like to explain some important things, like for example some parts of the nautical chart. So here on the top we have the longitude scale. We have here the longitude scale, and on the sides we have here the latitude scales. As you can see, the latitude scales, as I discussed to you, is different from the nautical chart, since this nautical chart do not have the lines from lines after lines of the latitudes. So that is why you need to plot it. You need to use this navigational instrument such as these triangles and this compass divider, as well as the longitude. Okay, so in this latitude we have here 12 degrees. We should start with the latitude, since the first given will be latitude after it will be the longitude. So you have here 12 degrees, and each degrees has 60 minutes, so never forget that one. So you refer to this writings. So 1 degree equals 60 minutes. So as you can see here, this is the start of the 60 minutes of the 12 degrees. So prior to that or below that, that is 11 degrees and 55 minutes. Okay, so based on these scales, you have here 4, right? So 1 2 3 and 4. So as you can see, as you observe here, we have 55 minutes. So 55 minutes, then after that is 56, of course, and then it will end up to 00, since we have only 60 minutes per 1 degree. So how should we count? So we should count by twos. So 55.2 here, 55.2, 55.4, 55.6. On the middle of that is 55.5, of course. Then 55.8. Then after that 56. Then 57, 58, 59, then 60. As I said, we don't have 61 and above, so we have only 60 minutes. So that is why it is written there 00 degrees. Okay, so regarding this sign, we have here because the sign is not indicated here, since the sign is not indicated here, so of course it is a chart in the Philippines. We should know the direction of the Philippines. So the direction for the latitude will be north, since of course Philippines is located above the equator. So if this is the equator, so Philippines is located on top of that northern hemisphere. Okay, so regarding the latitude, so the same scale we have by twos. Okay, so we have here 124 degrees. It is the same that we have this 1 degree equals 60 minutes, and 1 minute equals nautical miles for the distances that will be taken out from this nautical chart. So based on these scales, we have 124, then we still have 123 and 45 minutes, 123 degrees and 45 minutes. So we will start here 45, then 50, then 55, then of course we don't have 61, so that is why this 00 is the 60, and we should start another degree. So since 1 degree equals 60 minutes. Okay, So it means that the 123 degrees minutes ends up here and start another degrees here until there, no? But since this chart do not cover the rest of the whole world, so it is limited only, so that is why it is not here. So we can only see the 123 and 124. And how about the sign? So since the Philippines is located on the right hand side of the meridian, so if this is the meridian, so this is west, then this is east, since the meridian is located on the England side. So that is why we need to put the sign east, since it's located on the right side of this diagram. So this is the prime meridian or the Greenwich meridian, and the Philippines is located on the right side of this. This is Europe, the prime meridian or the Greenwich meridian line. Then Philippines is located on the right side, which is east. America is located on the west, which is on the left hand side. Okay.